Soft rain falling on a quiet street, silver whispers where the shadows meet. I've been carrying sorrow like a second skin, but the night gets kinder when the storm rolls in. Clouds drift low like they understand all the weight sitting in these hands. Every drop feels honest, every drop feels true, like the sky is saying, I've been there too. Oh, let the rain fall, wash me clean, wash it all. Every heartbeat slow in the gentle sound, and I feel my feet coming back to the ground. Yeah, the rain don't break, it lifts me somehow. Love comes easier when the skies come down. People rush past in their weathered way, chasing sunshine through the hardest days. But I find healing in the soft, cool air, a quiet promise just hanging there. Oh, let the rain fall, wash me clean, wash it all. Every heartbeat slow in the gentle sound, and I feel my feet coming back to the ground. Yeah, the rain don't break, it lifts me somehow. Love comes easier when the skies come down. Let it fall on the broken, fall on the brave, fall on the hearts that forgot they were saved. Mercy in the rhythm, comfort in the pain. There's a little bit of grace in every rain. So I'll stand right here till the clouds drift on, till the storm fades quiet into early dawn. And I'll carry that peace when the world turns loud, 'cause the rain left a whisper that never lets go.